Hello everyone. This script is tailored to help children under 12 years old to stop grinding their teeth at night. Listen to this during their bedtime and make sure that you're not driving or operating any dangerous machinery that requires your attention. In a safe space, let's begin. Hello and welcome. Today we are going to embark on a journey together to help you have sweet dreams and quiet nights. So let's begin by finding a comfortable position, whether that's lying down in your bed or sitting in a cozy chair. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Feel your body relaxing with each breath you take. See yourself in a beautiful, peaceful garden. This garden is filled with colorful flowers, tall trees, and soft grass. You can feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and the gentle breeze brushing against your face. It is a safe, quiet space where you can let go of any worry or stress. Now bring your attention to your mouth. Notice how your jaw feels right now. Are there any tightness or tension in your jaw muscles? That's okay. We are going to relax them together. Imagine a wave of warm, soothing energy flowing down from the top of your head down to your jaw. Feel this warmth spreading through your jaw muscles, melting away any tightness or tension. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine a soft, fluffy cloud floating above you. This cloud is as soft as a pillow and is here to help you relax even more deeply. With each breath you take, see this cloud gently lowering itself down towards your mouth, wrapping around your jaws in a soft embrace. Now, see a switch in your mind. This switch controls the grinding of your teeth at night. Right now, it might be turned on, causing you to grind your teeth without even realizing it. But you have the power to turn it off. With your imagination, see yourself reaching out and flipping the switch to the off position. Feel a sense of relief wash over you, as you know you are in control. From this moment on, your jaw remains relaxed and still while you sleep peacefully through the night. Feel free to repeat this picture anytime you need to, especially before bedtime. Each time you do, you feel stronger and remind yourself that you can sleep quietly. You are letting go and have a new peaceful night. Now let's take a moment to bask in the feeling of relaxation and stillness that fills your jaw, muscles, and fills your body, and it flows through your whole body. Know that you are safe, you are loved, and you're capable of overcoming any challenges that comes your way. When you're ready, you can slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch out your arms and legs gently and open your eyes whenever you feel comfortable. Remember, you have the power to create positive changes in your life, one peaceful night at a time. Sweet dreams, little one.